So in this video, I will show you how to identify LinkedIn Premium members, and then I will show you how to extract them in bulk and get the verified emails of these people. And so for that, we need to go on my computer. So we are currently on LinkedIn, and if you want to check if someone has a LinkedIn Premium account, you just need to go on their profile and you will see a badge like this one saying that this member, so Curtis, is actually a Premium member. When you do a search or when you have some recommendation, you will see if someone has Premium or not based on their badge. So here, Carol, we know that she's Premium, and Sarah, Vivian, Paula, and Saini are not Premium members. If you have a LinkedIn Premium account and you don't want to show that you are LinkedIn Premium, so basically you want to remove this badge, all you need to do is to go on your LinkedIn profile, then you click here on the pen, then you click on Profile Premium Badge, and then you just need to toggle this button on off, like this. And then you just need to click on save. And as you can see now, I no longer have the badge on my profile. Now, if you check the LinkedIn profile of someone on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, it works exactly the same as LinkedIn. You have a badge here saying that this member is Premium. Now, let's say that you want to build a list of leads and leads who are Premium because you sell some ghostwriting services or content creation services. If you want to do that, unfortunately, you can't on LinkedIn Sales Navigator because on the lead filters here, you don't have a filter as Premium. So if you want to build a list of leads who are Premium, you need to go on GiveMeLeads.io, or you can click in the first link in the description. Then you click on Get 10 Leads for free, and then you just need to create your account. Then you need to install the Chrome extension, and then you will get a button like this one, Extract Leads. So let's say, for example, that you want to target CEO with a company headcount between, let's say, 200 to 500 people. Of course, because you sell something related to LinkedIn, you want people who posted on LinkedIn recently. So we toggle this button. And then let's say that you want to target people based in New York. I've just added that I want people in my second degree connections because I know that I will get a much higher reply rate than if I include the third degree connections. So with this search, I have 271 people. So now let's say that I'm happy with this search. All I need to do is to click here on Extract Leads, and I will be redirected to my GiveMeLeads account. Here, I just need to click on Continue, and here, Save and Export. So here I can give the number of people I want. So let's say I want 100 people, and then I click on Export Leads. And now my export is currently running. I have to wait a little bit. And now I will just rename my export, and it was Premium members. Then I press enter, and now we just need to wait a little bit. The export is now finished, and if I want to access my list, I need to click here on download CSV, and then I will download my file. So here is the leads we've just exported. So you have all the information you need to reach out to these people. So you have the first name, last name, you have the LinkedIn URL, you have the verified emails of these people. So you don't need to pay another tool to check if these emails are valid or not, because we already do it for you. And then the column we are interested in is Premium here. So with this column here, is Premium, you know if a lead has a LinkedIn Premium account or not. So here it's true. So it means that Jean-Noël has a LinkedIn Premium account. And let's check that on LinkedIn. And yes, Jean-Noël has the LinkedIn Premium badge on his LinkedIn profile. So with this column here is Premium, you know exactly who has a LinkedIn Premium or not. And as you can see, some of them don't have a LinkedIn Premium account. So if you really want to target only LinkedIn Premium members, you just need to sort the lead to check if it's true in this column. So if you want to export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, get their verified emails, and have informations like if a lead has a LinkedIn Premium account, you can try GiveMeLeads, and for that you just need to click in the first link in the description. And now it's time for me to wish you a nice day, and I see you either on GiveMeLeads or in the next video. Bye bye.